Welcome back to the channel. My name is JesseMcDesign, and today we're going to be making a coffee shell from scratch. Let's get started. Also, before we get started, I made some custom tees. I didn't screen print them. This is just my design. It's on a custom pocket tee. It's kind of hard to see the pocket in the black, but you can see them peeking out there. I call them a little pocket pal. This is a nice little custom snake design. And then on the back, there's just a little S logo. It's Stare It is kind of something I'm playing with. But you can go to my website and check it out. They're for sale on there. And a lot of things you see me make on here are for sale on there as well. So go check it out. Thanks. Alright, so we got this rough frame put together. I'm not like a good word worker. I don't really have like fancy saws or nothing. So I just rough cut all this stuff the best I can. And like we'll go in and just kind of like grind this just to make it smooth. You know, I also want it to look more of like rustic and old. We're gonna wood burn it and beat it up and do some fun stuff at the end. But right now we're gonna measure for 3 shelves, 1, 2, and 3 on top of each of these, and then we'll get those in place, and then we'll come back and start thinking about trimming this thing out and making it look real nice. So as you can see, I took the edge trim off. I've been looking at it for a couple days. I didn't like how wide it was. When I purchased it, I knew it was going to be a little bit bigger than what I wanted because it was the only thing available that wasn't too small. I want to be able to cover the little support and the edge, of course. So I took it all apart and I trimmed it up. I'm actually going to be able to use, I think that's going to look a lot better being a little bit smaller, and I'm actually going to be able to use the extra pieces to trim out the shelves. So let's do that. Alright, so there you go. I definitely like that a lot better. I was a little bit short for this shelf trim piece, so I'm going to have to cut that and do that real quick. But the next thing we're going to do is take this outside and just grind off a couple of screw heads that are still coming, that are showing on the outside, and some that are poking through on the inside, and just shaving off a couple little corners on the wood and things. And then after we do all that cleanup work, we're gonna take a butane torch and wood burn this whole thing. Might take a while, but I think it'll be just what it needs. So there you have it. I have it pretty much set up how I'm going to use it for now. It replaced the shelf I previously had here, so I made it to fit the dimensions of this little wall I have here. I didn't want to go too high. I feel like that's pretty good height for where I'm at. I can still kind of see and put stuff up here if I wanted. I actually just made shadow boxes for these skateboards you can kind of see here that match this, and they match a TV stand I made a couple years ago, and a bed frame I made about a year ago. These shadow boxes are actually going to probably be my next video, so you'll see that and you'll see how they match, and they're very similar. But I'm super happy with how it came out. If you want to see more stuff like this, different art, knives, all kinds of different things, please hit the thumbs up, it helps. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.